the world's 9th largest country in the world, located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. The birthplace of the modern apple and tulip varieties. The country that has voluntarily renounced the world's 4th largest nuclear weapons arsenal. This country is Kazakhstan. The first capital of the Kazakh Khanate was located on the territory of modern days of the southern Kazakhstan region, where independent Turkic nomadic tribes united into one nation in the 18th century to preserve the territorial integrity of the Kazakh land. South Kazakhstan is the birthplace of the renowned medieval scientist and philosopher of the Islamic Golden Age, Abu Nasir al-Farabi, the great philosopher of the East known among the medieval Muslim intellectuals as the second teacher, the successor to Aristotle. The first teacher was born and raised in the city of Farab in the Sirdarya region. Historically, this unique place has been the cradle of agriculture. The ancient city of Oterao was the heart and the largest city of the region. The first settlement on the site of the city arose early in the millennium. Later, the settlement developed into a majestic city with magnificent palaces, caravansarais, urban neighborhoods, baths, and a world-famous library. According to medieval chronicles, at the end of the 20th century, Oterao Library had the world's 2nd largest book collection, following the famous library in Alexandria. At present, the priceless landmark of Oterao is a meter of sand. The mausoleum of Khoja Ahmed Yasawi, a distinguished Sufi master of the 12th century, is an architectural masterpiece, a complex of palaces and temples built between 1385 and 1405. The mausoleum is included in the UNESCO World Heritage List. Tai Kazan is the item of the mausoleum that deserves special attention. Tai Kazan is a giant cooking pot used throughout Central Asia, roughly the equivalent to a cauldron or a boiler. The Tai Kazan of the mausoleum is with 3 rows of inscriptions with floral ornaments on the back. The top line suggests that Tai Kazan was a gift from Timur, historically known as Tamerlan. The mausoleum of Khoja Ahmed Yasawi is situated in southern Kazakhstan, in the northeastern section of the city of Turkestan. Between the 16th and 18th centuries, the city of Turkestan was the capital of the Kazakh Khanate. The city is more than 1,000 years old, and it is justly considered the spiritual and historical center of the Turkic world. Another palace of pilgrimage for Muslim people is the mausoleum of Eristan Baba, the mystic, religious scholar, and a spiritual advisor to Khoja Ahmed Yasawi. A legend has it that Emir Timur ordered the construction of a mosque on the site of Khoja Ahmed Yasawi's grave, but all attempts were unsuccessful. Timur was then told in a dream that in order to have success, he should first build a mausoleum under the grave of the mystic Eristan Baba. The present mausoleum dates back to the 14th century. The infrastructure of the present South Kazakhstan region has improved significantly over the past years. The international airport here is an A-class airfield capable of receiving all types of aircrafts. Railway and road junctions are also well developed. Shymkent, an administrative center in the largest city of South Kazakhstan, has more than 50 hotels, inns, and guest houses with comfortable rooms, furnished in accordance with international standards, allowing the guests to recover between travels. The city of Shymkent offers a variety of places and historical sites for sightseeing, parks for outdoor leisure, and facilities for recreation, and plenty of good restaurants and cafes to satisfy every taste. Gourmets are offered the whole gastronomic spectrum, starting with the Kazakh national cuisine to the culinary delights of European and exotic countries. The total area of South Kazakhstan region is more than 117,000 square kilometers. South Kazakhstan is home to Central Asia's oldest nature preserve, Aksu-Jabagli, located in the spurs of the eastern ridges of Tian Shan. It was established in 1926 and now covers of 132,000 hectares. Aksu Canyon is 15 kilometers long, and a 500-meter deep canyon is situated in the northwest of Tian Shan mountain range on the territory of Aksu-Jabagli Nature Reserve. The nature reserve has 27 small lakes. All of them are located at a height of 3 to 3,500 meters above sea level. Amazing diversity in flora and fauna is preserved on the territory of the reserve. The reserve is a natural habitat for 267 species of birds, 52 species of mammals, including the magnificent snow leopard. Saidam Ugam National Park is another nature reserve located in the south of the country. Here the visitors can enjoy the picturesque view of the glacial lake Saidam Su, feel the life-giving force of the mountain springs near the river Bergaluk. 7 different natural zones can be found in the park, stretching between the steppe zones to the highlands. The changing landscape and the natural conditions provide home for a variety of wildlife. Hunting and fishing are the recreation programs for most active tourists and local residents. Detailed and well-organized fishing and hunting trips and offers are available all year round. Hunting and fishing in southern Kazakhstan are a great opportunity to make your trip a memorable experience. And this is not nearly all. South Kazakhstan has a lot more to offer. South Kazakhstan has resort places where natural resources-based treatment and recovery programs are offered. Mineral water currents at the famous resort Yagash and thermal waters near Kentau are the top choices among the visitors and residents. Healing properties of the mineral and thermal waters of South Kazakhstan are similar to the waters of famous European resorts in Bulgaria, Croatia, and the Russian Caucasus. The healing water, mountain climate, and friendly staff can do wonders if you are willing to try. South Kazakhstan region is the pearl of Kazakhstan.